Hey Scrubbies, in today's article on the Scrub Hub, we're going to talk about how to actually load a dishwasher. There's no right way to do it, but there's plenty of wrong ways to do it. So if you're anything like me, the way I used to do my dishes is if it was in the sink, I would just take everything that's in there, cram it in the dishwasher, and go. Well, it turns out that's not the best way to wash your dishes. My 3 quick takeaways from today's article is 1, actually scrape the food off of your dishes. Look, I know what you're probably thinking, that's the dishwasher's job. That's what I always thought too. But take the extra 30 seconds, scrub it off because that protects your filter and just results in much cleaner dishes. Number 2, don't overcrowd the dishwasher. Like I said, I used to cram everything in there at one time thinking I would only need to clean my dishes once. Well, turns out I'd have to actually clean them more like 3 or 4 times. It didn't actually save me any time. So give them that space, spread them out, and your dishes will come out looking way better. Lastly, mind the placement of your dishes. Make sure that you're taking things like rubber and plastic and putting them on the second, or if you have it, a third rack, because that keeps it away from the heating element and they won't melt. You want to be very careful about not compromising plastic, especially for like pacifiers or baby bottles, because if that happens, that can leach into the milk or whatever you're putting in these bottles and get into the baby, and we don't want that.